Hi guys, this is Miss Kalyan. Today we are going to talk about how to find the distance and midpoint between 2 points in a coordinate plane using technology. We have already learned how to find the distance and midpoint between 2 points in a coordinate plane using the formula, right? So the distance formula is given by d equal to square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, and we have to label the points and plug it in this formula to find the distance between any 2 points in a coordinate plane. And for the midpoint, this is the formula. You have to add the two x coordinates, divide by 2, and then you have to add the two y coordinates and divide by 2. So algebraically, this is the method that we follow. But there is an easier way, there's an easier trick using Desmos to find the same things, like the distance between two coordinate points and the midpoint between two coordinate points. So let me show you how to do that in Desmos. So let's go ahead and open the Desmos graphing calculator um, screen, and this is it. Okay, so if I want to find the distance between any two coordinate points, and you have to do it exactly the same way as I'm showing it to you with the, to the commas and everything. Otherwise, it's not going to display you the answer. You can use this trick to find it, to find the distance and the midpoint, or you can use this trick to double check your answers if you are working algebraically. Okay, so if you want to find the distance between two coordinate points, let's say the two coordinate points are 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so this is what you have to do. You have to type in the word distance, and then you have to open a parentheses, and then again you have to open another parentheses to put the coordinate points in. So 1, 2 is one of my coordinate, close the parentheses, and then comma, I'm going to put the second coordinate point by opening the parentheses, 3, 4, closing the parentheses for that point and closing the overall parentheses. So if you look at here, I want to find the distance between the 2 points 1, 2 and 3, 4, and it gave me the answer here, which is 2.828. Okay, if you calculate it using the formula, you're going to get the same thing, but this is an easier and neat trick to do this. The same way, if I want to find the midpoint between, let's say, the same 2 points, right? I am going to do midpoint, the word midpoint, and then I'm going to open parentheses for the coordinate points, comma, 3, 4, and then close it, and it gave me the midpoint of those 2 points is going to be at 2, 3. And if you click the label here, it will show you the label in the graph also. That's where the midpoint is, okay, between the 2 points that we are looking for. If you do not put this in the proper format, for example, I'm just going to show you how it is not going to display the answer. If I put the the mistake in the distance word, or if I do not put the things properly, it's not going to give you the answer. So it has to be in the exact same format, that there has to be two parentheses in the beginning and two parentheses in the end, and the coordinate points need to be in parentheses, and there should be a comma in between the points. Everything need to be in order for you to get the answer. But this is a very neat and easy trick to find the distance and midpoint between any two coordinate points. Okay, guys? Hopefully you got this, and you practice this. Okay? Thank you.